Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to add doors and windows to this, to your container home, or if you're doing this for 7th grade, to whatever room you're designing, okay? So if you go to building on the left here, you can see all the different things that you can add. So you can add skylights to your house, or your room, your container home. If you want to go back, click back here. You can add doors, railings, stairs. You can even add trim, okay? So right now, the one thing that I'm looking for is windows and doors. So if we go to more, this kind of over here lets you get to the quick kind of view of doors. So there's barn doors, a whole bunch of stuff here, okay? So you're going to choose one, or just scroll down till you see what you want. Okay, so let's say I want to put this barn door here, okay? Maybe I don't want to do the barn door. Let's do a double door here. Okay, and I want to do the double door here.
Hey, Mommy.
Okay. Now I can use the arrows on my keypad to move it over if I want. And then unclick, and then it made it there. Okay. Now to I don't know how to resize this thing. Doesn't look like you can adjust the width, so that guy doesn't fit there. So I'm going to choose a different door to go there. Some of the other websites that we use, you can edit them and how wide they are. So I'm just going to do a single door. I'm going to put it right here, and you can change the direction of it and which side it swings. Okay, so I'm going to set my door right there and throw another door here. Remember, you got to have doors all the time so people can walk into the rooms. Here I'm going to have just an opening. I want some glass sliding doors to go out to my little patio area here. And you can see up here, if I move my guy, I can see what I just added. I added the door, and in the upper right corner here I can see them. And I can move my guy so I can see it a little bit better. And then you can see the 3D marker. Sorry, my child's behind me. If you hear her singing the ABCs. Okay. And you're going to add all your doors using this. This thing there. And again, you can use your arrows on your keypad to move them up and down. You can also add your windows. So if I want to go back here, I'm going to go back. Then I'm going to choose windows. Now note, if you are going to do the barn doors, what I believe you have to do is you have to do a wall opening first and then add the barn doors. And make sure it's a wall opening that's big enough, okay? Alright, so we're going to go back. We're going to choose windows. Again, there's a whole bunch of different windows that you can choose from. Some really cool ones, some really big ones. Like if I want this whole room to be a window, basically. I move my guy here to show the window. Okay. You can see my window in the view up there. If at any time you want to see the 3D view, you can back out. Or another really cool thing is if you choose orbit view, okay, you can see all the way around, and they kind of take some of the walls out so you can kind of see what you're building. And all the doors and the windows and that sort of stuff. Okay. So again, adding windows. I want to just add a generic window, and you can add them in 3D mode, whatever is easiest for you. However, you don't always see all the walls that you have when you go in 3D mode. Okay. That's where my window ended up there. Okay. So that's how you add windows and doors.